Let me show you how easy it is to control our distillation system. All parameters which needs to be controlled or set or defined can be managed with our V-Tab Smart Distillation Control system. First of all, we have a picture of the whole setting where you can see the main components like the feed vessel, the gases stage, our distillator, and on the second page you see the vacuum system. We turn on, as a first thing, the vacuum system to generate the vacuum in the system. First pump we switch on is the rotary vane pump. I just tip on the pump and then the settings for the pump are displayed here on the right side, and I just stay on. That's it. The symbol for the pump turns green so that I have an indication that the pump is running. Then I can switch to another section, our easy to read diagram. Here all parameters which can be adjusted or can be monitored, like pressure, temperature, the temperature of the heating units and the motor speed are displayed, and you can see here that the pressure is going down. Now I turn on the heating system for the feed vessel. So I simply click on the according symbol. The setting window is shown on the right side. We have two important sections. One section is the set point section and the other one is the actual section. So I can type in the required temperature I would like to have for the feed vessel and turn the system on. Now I turn on the vacuum pump to evacuate the feed container, and in just a second you see how the feed material from the bucket is fed into the feed container. Of course, I can adjust the speed of the pump, which is according to the amount of feed which is fed into the system. We start the process by turning on the feed pump, just clicking on it and say OK. Now the feed pump is running, which is visible on the green symbol, and is entering now into the short pass distillator. To start the wiper basket of the distillator, I click on the motor symbol and turn on the motor of the wiper basket. And if needed, I can increase the speed of the wiper basket. Discharge of concentrate and distillate is very easy. I just go to the discharge pumps and turn them on. I also have the possibility to get a mass balance. As you can see, we have balances displayed here, and I can define that a mass balance should be calculated. Let's see what happens if something goes wrong. In case of failure, detailed alarms appear instantly. If during commissioning or operation a failure occurs which you can't fix, remote support connects directly to your system. All values at your fingertips. Export and analyze process data anytime.